In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export PDF from Excel. To begin, open your Excel file. This is the workbook that you want to export as a PDF. Once it opens, make sure the correct sheet is active, especially if your file has several tabs. Take a moment to check your data, headers, and any totals, because whatever you see here is what will be captured in the PDF. If your sheet is very wide, you may want to zoom out slightly so you understand how much content is on the page. Now click File. You will usually find the File option in the top left corner of the Excel window. When you click it, Excel switches into the backstage view, and the main area of the screen changes. You should now see options like Info, New, Open, and Save As on the left side. This tells you that you are no longer editing cells and are instead working with the document-level commands. Beginners sometimes think they left their sheet, but do not worry, your workbook is still open in the background. Next, click Save As. In the File menu, the Save As section lets you create a new copy of your workbook. When you select it, you will see a panel or window where you can set the file name, the save location, and the file type all in one place. This is exactly what we need for making a PDF copy. If Excel shows recent folders or cloud locations here, that is normal. You are just choosing how and where to save the new file. After that, choose where you want to save the PDF. You can pick a folder on your computer, a network drive, or a cloud location, depending on what appears in your Save As window. Click through the folders until you see the one where you want the PDF to live. The current path usually appears near the top of the window, so you can confirm you are in the right spot. If you plan to email the PDF, many people choose the desktop or a dedicated documents folder so it is easy to find later. With the location set, in Save As type, select PDF. Look for the box labeled Save As Type near the bottom of the window. Click it and a list of formats appears, such as Excel Workbook and older Excel formats. Scroll if needed, then pick PDF. As soon as you choose PDF, Excel knows you want a read-only document that keeps the layout of your sheet. On many setups, you will also see options for optimizing the PDF for standard size or smaller file size in the same area. Finally, click Save. Excel now creates the PDF using your current sheet layout and the options you just chose. In most cases, a new PDF file appears in the folder you selected, and on many systems, it also opens automatically in your default PDF viewer, so you can check it. You have now exported your Excel worksheet as a PDF file. If this helped you get a clean PDF from your sheet, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more quick Excel tips.